YouTube family, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm just going to be going through what I eat in a day, my healthy diet. It's not a diet, it's literally just what I eat most days, and I typically eat healthy, so that's what it is. I'm recording this after recording what I actually do, as you guys will see, because I woke up this morning very groggy and nauseous. It was early. I don't mind getting up early, but I just felt very tired and still look a little tired, but I didn't feel like recording my face, so it'll be a voiceover once the video actually starts. If you haven't already done so, please hit that subscribe button for more videos to come. The first thing I consume in the morning is tea, so that's what I'm doing here. Just pouring some hot water with the juice of half a lemon on the tea bags. I mix 2 tea bags because sometimes green tea alone makes me nauseous. After my tea, I usually wait half an hour and then work out and then drink my green juice. But because I was still feeling nauseous after my tea, I decided to drink my green juice first to combat the nauseousness and then work out after. Okay, I am awake, I have energy. After I drank my green smoothie, I just read for about 45 minutes and then I worked out. So now it is about a little after 1 p.m. and I'm going to eat my first meal of the day, which is normal for me. I usually intermittent fast, so my first meal isn't until after 12 p.m. anyway, most days. So yeah, let's go make some, I guess, lunch. So I'm in my kitchen, and because I just worked out, I'm going to consume some protein. So I'm going to make protein pancakes. By the way, that weird noise behind me is the kettle. Y'all can hear it, it is bubbling up. Yeah, so anyway, pancake time. I bought this pancake mix from Costco several months ago, and I actually didn't expect it to taste so good because it is a protein pancake mix, but it actually does taste very good. I do add other stuff to it, as you will see, such as lots of cinnamon and vanilla, and I use almond milk to make it. But it's a good source of protein. It's 23 grams, and I use half a cup each time, and it makes about 3 medium-sized pancakes, which is perfect. Whenever I make pancakes or waffles, I love to have it with fresh fruit on top. So I'm about to cut those up while these pancakes are cooking up. As you can see, I broke up 1 square of dark chocolate and topped each pancake with some, and I'm also topping with a little bit of peanut butter just for additional protein, healthy fats to keep me feeling full for longer. My mom made homemade applesauce, so that's what this is here, with some blueberry in it as well. And I don't know how this is gonna taste, but I'm gonna try it. I think it'll taste good, but we're about to find out. I am hungry now. Don't mind this. What is that? The little paint chip in the wall. We'll let it be, let it do its thing. But, oh, I'm so excited, guys. I'm so excited to eat. First bite, I made sure I got a banana piece, strawberry, blueberries, peanut butter, applesauce, dark chocolate. The first bite has to be big. Go big or go home. So. This is so good. Guys, that combination is everything. I don't need maple syrup. So anyway, I'm gonna go swallow this now and I'll see you guys around snack time. Sometimes I have a snack before dinner, so see y'all then. Okay guys, finally back in the kitchen. It is 5:53 p.m. and I haven't eaten since before. Probably not the best day to do this because I was so busy with like filming and editing that I didn't eat on time. And I started getting hungry about like an hour ago, but because I was so into it, I had to finish what I was doing. But now we are here and let me show you this because Mama made some macaroni pie and it's looking kind of good. So I'm gonna take a little bit. It's bomb. This is what Mama made. That is a little bit that I just taste tested for her. But I ain't eating that. I'm gonna make a power salad. I love big salads. Like I love salads with a million things in them. You're probably rolling your eyes like, of course she's eating a salad, but no, guys, my salads are, they are hearty, okay? So switch into the voiceover and you will see how it is done. So I get these really yummy salad packs from Freshco. They're only about $1.99 or 99 cents. So whenever I do feel for a salad, I eat half of the bag. I washed it off camera and now I'm just showing you all of the ingredients I'm going to be putting in this salad. I am a huge fan of cheese. So right now I'm adding some feta cheese. And as you'll see in a second, I also add Parmesan. Sometimes instead of those cheeses, I will grate some cheddar cheese and throw in there as well, depending on the source of protein. Instead of boiled eggs, sometimes I will have shrimp, tuna, salmon. Once in a while, I will have chicken breast, but most of the time I follow the pescatarian diet. Hey guys, so it is now 7:55 p.m. That salad usually does a good job of filling me up for a couple hours. I'm sorry if you can hear my mom in the background, by the way, she's yelling on the phone. But so that I don't get hungry later, I'm just gonna have some of my favorite healthy popcorn. So I get this from Costco. That's why it's so damn big. And honestly, when I go, I get like 4 bags at least. And it only lasts me like a couple weeks. But yeah, this is gonna be my snack to end off the night. And of course I have my last cup of tea. This is only my 3rd cup for the day. I don't even know if you guys can hear me because my mother is yelling right now. You guys hear? Like RIP to the person she's on the phone with. Anyway, I don't think I need to record me drinking my green tea. So I'm gonna end the video here. I just want to say thank you for watching. That is honestly what I eat in a day. Of course, every day it's not exactly the same, but typically this is how I eat in a day. In terms of like intermittent fasting, the liquids I drink, I literally only ever just drink tea and water. Of course, the rare occasion I might have something else or not eat this way, but this is how I eat on a regular basis. So don't forget to subscribe to your girl. If you guys liked this video, please give it a thumbs up. My popcorn's waiting for me. Please give it a thumbs up and let me know in the comments what you guys thought. I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys.